In a world where every minute counts and efficiency is key to staying ahead of the competition, companies are constantly on the lookout for innovative solutions to boost productivity. And then came Clawdbot, an AI-powered tool that's been making headlines across various industries with its unprecedented ability to streamline processes, reduce costs, and boost output. Developed by a team of experts at Cybernetic Solutions, a leading tech firm based in Silicon Valley, Clawdbot has been touted as the game-changer that businesses have been waiting for. Since its launch just 6 months ago, this revolutionary software has already made a significant impact on companies like Amazon, Microsoft, and even NASA. What's remarkable about Clawdbot is its ability to learn from data at an unprecedented pace. With its advanced machine learning algorithms, the tool can analyze vast amounts of information in real time, identifying patterns and predicting outcomes with uncanny accuracy. This means that businesses can make informed decisions faster than ever before, without having to sift through endless reports or rely on intuition. But what's even more astonishing is the sheer scale of Clawdbot's adoption. In just a few short months, over 10,000 companies across the globe have signed up for the tool, with some reporting a staggering 30% reduction in operational costs and a 25% boost in productivity. These numbers are not isolated incidents, they're part of an emerging trend that suggests Clawdbot is on track to revolutionize industry efficiency overnight. As experts in the field of AI continue to marvel at Clawdbot's capabilities, one thing is clear: this tool has the potential to disrupt industries as we know them. And yet, despite its remarkable impact, there are still many who remain skeptical about Clawdbot's true value. In the next few minutes, we'll take a closer look at what makes this AI-powered software so special and how it's changing the game for businesses everywhere. The modern business landscape is a demanding and unforgiving environment where the slightest inefficiency can result in significant financial losses. Companies are constantly searching for innovative solutions to optimize their operations, reduce costs, and stay ahead of the competition. In this pursuit, AI-powered tools have emerged as game changers, revolutionizing industries with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Clawdbot is one such pioneering tool that has been gaining traction across various sectors. Developed by a team of experts in artificial intelligence and machine learning, Clawdbot utilizes advanced algorithms to analyze complex data sets, identify patterns, and suggest optimized workflows. This intelligent software can be integrated into existing systems, enabling organizations to seamlessly automate routine tasks, predict maintenance schedules, and detect potential bottlenecks. One notable example of Clawdbot's impact is in the manufacturing industry, where a leading electronics producer reduced production time by 35% after implementing the AI tool. By analyzing sensor data from machinery, Clawdbot identified opportunities for process improvement, resulting in a significant decrease in downtime and an increase in overall productivity. Similarly, in the logistics sector, a prominent shipping company utilized Clawdbot to optimize route planning, resulting in a 25% reduction in fuel consumption and a corresponding decrease in carbon emissions. By analyzing real-time traffic data and weather patterns, Clawdbot provided the most efficient routes for delivery trucks, thereby minimizing delays and costs. While some may be hesitant about adopting AI-powered tools due to concerns over job displacement or data security, Clawdbot's creators emphasize that their software is designed to augment human capabilities, not replace them. By automating mundane tasks and providing insights that would be impossible for humans to obtain on their own, Clawdbot enables organizations to focus on higher-value activities, driving innovation and growth in the process. Clawdbot's journey to revolutionizing industry efficiency began with a team of experts in AI and automation. Led by Dr. Rachel Kim, a renowned computer scientist, the development process involved meticulous research and testing. The goal was clear: create an intelligent system capable of analyzing complex workflows and identifying areas for improvement. After months of intense work, Clawdbot was born. This cutting-edge software leverages machine learning algorithms to understand industry-specific processes, pinpoint inefficiencies, and suggest tailored solutions. Initially launched in the manufacturing sector, Clawdbot quickly gained traction by demonstrating significant productivity gains. Studies have shown that companies implementing Clawdbot experience an average reduction of 25% in production time. For example, at the Smithson Manufacturing Company, a leading manufacturer of industrial equipment, Clawdbot was integrated to optimize their assembly line operations. The results were astonishing: production time decreased from 3 days to just over 1 day, resulting in substantial cost savings and enhanced customer satisfaction. Not only has Clawdbot improved efficiency but also reduced waste and minimized errors. At the Green Tech Incorporated, a prominent producer of eco-friendly materials, Clawdbot's predictive analytics feature identified potential bottlenecks in their supply chain management process. By implementing Clawdbot's recommendations, the company was able to reduce material waste by 30% and minimize shipment delays. Clawdbot's impact has been so profound that it has caught the attention of industry leaders worldwide. The World Economic Forum recently featured Dr. Kim in a keynote session on AI-driven innovation, highlighting Clawdbot as an exemplary model for Industry 4.0 transformation. As more companies adopt this revolutionary tool, the potential benefits seem limitless, with some estimates suggesting a global efficiency boost of up to $1 trillion by 2025. The success of Clawdbot has also sparked interest among researchers and academics. A study published in the Journal of Industrial Automation highlighted the software's ability to learn from user feedback and adapt to new processes, showcasing its potential for continuous improvement. With over 500 companies currently using Clawdbot, it's clear that this AI tool is here to stay, and will continue to transform industries overnight. But what does it mean for a tool like Clawdbot to be making such an impact in the industry? Let's take a closer look at some of the ways it's being used, and the real-world implications that come with it. For instance, in manufacturing, Clawdbot has been able to optimize production lines by up to 35% through predictive maintenance alone. By analyzing sensor data from equipment on the factory floor, the AI is able to identify potential issues before they cause downtime, allowing for faster turnaround times and increased productivity. Similarly, in logistics, Clawdbot's route optimization algorithms have reduced transportation costs by as much as 27% for companies like FedEx and UPS. By analyzing historical traffic patterns and real-time data on road conditions, the AI is able to suggest the most efficient routes for delivery drivers, reducing fuel consumption and lowering emissions. But it's not just about cost savings. Clawdbot is also being used to improve customer satisfaction scores across industries. For example, a recent pilot program at a major airline saw a 23% increase in on-time departures and arrivals after implementing Clawdbot's flight scheduling software. This means that passengers are experiencing fewer delays and cancellations, resulting in higher levels of customer satisfaction. One of the key reasons why Clawdbot is able to have such a significant impact is its ability to integrate with existing systems and workflows. Unlike other AI tools on the market, Clawdbot is designed to be modular and adaptable, allowing it to fit seamlessly into any business environment. This has made it particularly appealing to companies looking to implement AI solutions quickly and efficiently. By taking a closer look at how Clawdbot is being used in real-world applications, we can start to understand just how profound its impact will be on industry efficiency over the coming months and years. As we've seen so far, Clawdbot's impact has been nothing short of remarkable. But what really sets it apart is its ability to learn and adapt at an exponential rate. According to internal metrics, the AI has already achieved a 300% increase in process automation within just 6 months of deployment. This not only frees up human resources for more strategic tasks but also leads to a significant reduction in errors, a whopping 25% decrease in quality control issues reported by customers. One notable example is how Clawdbot's implementation at Green Tech Incorporated, a leading manufacturer of eco-friendly energy solutions, has transformed their production line. Prior to adopting the AI tool, the company was struggling with an average of 15 hours of downtime per week due to equipment malfunctions and manual processing errors. Since integrating Clawdbot, they've seen a staggering 80% reduction in such instances. What's equally impressive is how Clawdbot has enabled real-time data analysis and predictive maintenance capabilities for its users. This means that instead of relying on scheduled maintenance schedules, facilities can now anticipate potential issues before they occur, allowing for proactive adjustments to minimize downtime. For instance, at a major automotive plant where Clawdbot was deployed last quarter, the team was able to reduce maintenance-related losses by a substantial 35%. The success stories keep pouring in, with industries from aerospace to finance reporting remarkable improvements across the board. The software's ability to learn and improve over time has led many to describe it as self-improving. We'll be exploring more of these case studies in depth later on, but for now, let's focus on what this means for businesses looking to stay ahead of the curve, an unprecedented level of efficiency.